What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We're back with another Copart walk around. Let's jump into this video today, see what we find. How about something that looks like it would be easy to fix, relatively economical, and probably fairly cheap to purchase, a 2017 Lincoln MKZ. No, it's not going to be for everybody, but this is a good-sized car, guys. I mean, I would easily call this on the larger end of a mid-sized car. This thing is about $14,000 pre-accident, 120,000 miles, 2-liter, 4-cylinder, so it should get relatively good fuel economy, and honestly, it's a great looking car, I think. Personally, I like it. I do. The tint needs to be redone. Looks like it's got a little bit of damage to the front end, but I don't see anything that would prevent this thing from being fixed relatively easily on the cheap and from being a good running and driving car. It's got decent tires. It's got a really nice pearl color paint. Let's see how much damage we have. It's got a couple of dings on the hood, but honestly, I think the hood is savable. There must be more to this story than I'm seeing, though. I mean, honestly, everything actually looks pretty good. It obviously needs a bumper, it needs a grille. Maybe we've got some damage to the headlight. Doesn't look like it. That headlight is still in place as well. I wonder if the airbag went off on this. So the grille is contorted, it's all broken up, the bumper is completely destroyed. The question is there any further damage down in here? So I'm going to take you guys in, I'm going to let you just kind of peek around. You guys tell me if you see anything that looks concerning to you. Oh, there's part of the grille. Okay, looks like some fluids have splattered around under here. And what's going on down here? Yeah, I don't know. We've got a corner light, fog light kind of hanging out. If you guys see something, you let me know. But honestly, to me, it looks pretty good. Let's see how the body lines look. See if things are still matching up relatively decent. Yep, looks good. Looks pretty good. Same thing here with the door to the fender. It looks very even, very uniform. Let's go around to the other side and compare. Now, obviously, that gap right there, that gap concerns me. The gap over here looks pretty good. So my question is, do we have some kind of damage that has pushed the fender out? Or is this the hood that's out of whack? If we look at the gaps here, looks like we got a little overlap right there, the hood to the pillar. If we look at the gap from the fender to the door, though, again, it looks uniform and straight. The fender also looks straight, so I'm wondering if we don't have some type of damage to maybe the hood that we're not seeing, or more likely, the hood hinges. I'd almost bet money we've got some issues with the hood hinges. Let's take a look at the interior. The window tint is really in pretty rough shape, guys. It's bubbled up pretty good in the back there. And it does have 120,000 miles on it. So, I mean, really, what is this car going to sell for? I'll be honest with you. In my opinion, not much. Not much. Pre-accident condition would have been somewhere around $14,000, according to the listing. All right, feel free to check for yourself and see what one of these with 120,000 miles goes for. You know, it's got some miles. It's got a little bit of wear. Not too bad, though. I mean, it's not ripped or anything. I don't see any splits or cracks in the dashboard. Little 2.0 EcoBoost Turbo. Yeah, it's got a little wear, you know, but that's okay. I would say that if you could get this car, what do you think? I'm thinking if it's really worth $14,000, there's no way this car should go for more than $7,000. And honestly, less than that. I'm thinking $5,000. I'm thinking $5,000. I could be wrong. It fired right up. Hopefully the wheels are straight. Let's see if we got any warning lights. Vehicle is on and oil change. Door ajar. And that's it. No check engine lights. Huh. Okay, air conditioning. I've got to know because that tells us if the condenser is blown or not. So let's turn the temperature down, way down, way down. And we'll find out if the AC works on this one. Stereo system. Stereo system sounds good. We've got the AC on. Unfortunately, I'm not feeling anything yet. Let's see if we can crank up the fan. We do. We have ice cold air. I mean, that's really cold air conditioning. Infotainment system seems to work like it's supposed to. You get heated seats, lots of little cubby holes. I assume cup holders. Oh yeah, man, it's got everything, guys. It's even got the books. What is this? Oh, Department of Army Police. Okay. It's got some badges in there. We'll put those back and we'll leave those alone. Yeah, nice cold air conditioning, guys. I kind of like it. I do. Let's see if it goes into gear. I hate the buttons though, but here we go. Drive. Yep. Reverse. Nice backup camera. Yep. Park. All right. And the wheels turn when you, yep, they sure do. Good deal. Important window. Very nice. Less important window also works. Let's pop the hood. Let's see how things look under there. This would be a super easy fix, guys. And I guarantee it's not going to cost that much. You can find these parts in the same color. Not sponsored, but I use carparts.com. And they're great because you can find local places that have all the parts you need. You can just go in one swoop, pick everything up. Like, I want the hood, I want the bumper, complete with grills. And I think that's it. Like, really, it looks like all this thing needs. I would replace the hood with the hinges just to be on the safe side. Wait. I hear something oozing. Ew. What is that? Okay, let's turn that off. I'm wondering if that is transmission fluid. We'll shut that off. It's definitely leaking something. I doubt that that's Freon. I'm almost certain that's trans fluid. We got a little smoke coming out from under here too. I'll be honest with you, I don't know what the smoke is. I can't hardly smell it. Cooling system has good pressure on it. Brake fluid is clean. I'll bet there's some kind of damage to these hood hinges. So obviously we got into, I mean, that almost looks like, this is the outside, that's the condenser. That's the air conditioning. So that's crazy. The AC works, but it's like there's a pinhole or something in the condenser. So you're going to need a condenser. Is that a big deal? Not really. No, I don't think that's a big deal, guys. Okay, so now we need a hood with hinges, a complete bumper with all of the inserts and grill. We need a condenser, and that's it. I bet this thing runs and drives just fine. Let's check the oil level, see how it looks. Oil looks good. It runs well. Yeah, guys, this would be a no-brainer if it could be bought for the right price. Now, if you see something that you think I'm missing on this, definitely drop a comment below and let me know, because this may be one I'm interested in. Or if you have any idea of what this thing might actually be worth, of course, considering it has a salvage branded title and it does need parts and it needs window tint, a good cleaning inside and out, well, tell me in the comment section below what you think this car is worth. You thought we were getting out of here, didn't you? Not yet. I want to pop the trunk, see what's in the trunk. Oh, parts. Never mind, guys. We don't need the grill. We have it right here. We might actually have every piece of it. Wow, somebody salvaged the grill. That's crazy. A box might have some parts. We got some like weather resistant floor mats in the back too. Not too shabby, man. You know, she may need a tad bit of work, but honestly, I would drive the heck out of this car, guys. It even has remote start. I just saw that on the key fob when I was popping the trunk. Remote start on this thing. Yeah, how nice is that? Decent little car, man. If you could get it for sub $5,000, this is one that I think I'd be willing to take a chance on. So it's on my watch list. We'll see what happens when it goes up for auction. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to get out of here. I hope you're enjoying the new style of content. I haven't decided if this is the way I'm going to do it from now on. This is just a test. Basically for a week. I'm going to try this out for about a week and just see how the views do, see what your comments say, and check to see the thumbs ups. If you like this kind of content, well, we can continue doing it so long as it works for the majority of you watching. I definitely don't want to alienate you because we changed the structure of the videos. So 3 videos a day is what I'm going for, each of them between 10 and 15 minutes long, preferably one at midnight, maybe one at 6, and then one at 12 in the afternoon. That's the idea. I may change it, I don't know, but I'd like you guys to take just a moment to comment below and tell me whether you like the new shorter form videos or if you'd prefer the old school videos where we did 1 video a day, we did about 3 cars per video, and we did about 30 minutes in that video. It's still the same content, technically. You're still getting 3 cars a day. You're still getting about 30 to 40 minutes of video a day. It's just divided up differently so that there's more time for you to be able to watch the video and get on with your life, and then later on in the day you can come back for another video. It's something you can watch during a coffee break or your lunch break. You can watch it and be done with it instead of having to basically try to watch through the whole video throughout the whole day. You know, you could spend all day trying to get pieces of the video. This way, hopefully you can see more content and more of it, more time, basically is what I'm saying. Instead of a 30-minute video where you might only get to watch 10 minutes of it, I'm hoping that by splitting them up, you could actually have enough time to watch all 30 minutes. And the other benefit is if you see a car in the thumbnail and you're like, hey, I'm going to click the video because I like that car or I'm interested in this particular vehicle, well, that's what the video is going to be about. There's no fluff. There's no other cars. It's one car. If you clicked the video, that's the car you're going to see. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. And if you're not interested in that particular car or that kind of content, you already know what you're getting, so you don't even need to click the video. It's supposed to make things more easy for you guys and hopefully works out a little bit better for me. So like I said, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think of the new videos. Till next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.